What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today should be the big day where Reaper makes a return. And the cool thing is, this video is going to be posted like a week or two after the car started. The reason being is I'm keeping it a surprise for like 90% of my friends. Like only 3 people know that the car is going to be back. A lot of my friends think that the car is going to be out for like 3 months, and that's why I told them, because I told them that stuff just kept going wrong. And you guys know my luck, I bought 2 bad motors. So I threw 1 motor together, so it should be good. So the motor's pretty much in the car now. We didn't film most of the progress because we were just trying to get it done, and filming slows down the progress. Oh, that's nice. Ah, that's hard. But no, yeah, so we are gonna hopefully throw it the rest of the way together. It's still in pieces. The motor's just sitting in there on the motor mounts. Nothing's put together yet besides that. So yeah, this ought to be interesting. Dang, there's another one. You guys see when we get there. Almost everything is back on and together. So we're gonna start up the way it is right now just for a few seconds just to make sure it's alright. Make sure there's no issues. And if it sounds alright for the first 10 seconds of it running, I'm gonna shut it off and finish the rest. Already battery is hooked up. Keys in the ignition. So if everything goes good, if it runs for a few seconds, no knocking, no smoking, I'm gonna shut her off, throw everything on. May take like an hour and a half, but it'll be worth it just to make sure, because yeah, don't want to do all that extra work if it's not gonna be good. We just have to pull it all back apart anyways. I hear some kind of like clicking underneath. I'm scared. I guess it didn't sound too bad besides it backfiring out the headers.
Bypass, and there's whatchamacallits too.
Well, guys, just a few days later, I got some news. She is back. So yeah, I know I didn't record a lot of process. That's because we've been so stressed out. We just wanted to get it done and together. So I'm sorry I didn't record all the progress, but I already recorded progress one time on the first motor swap. But so far, she is running good. The only thing that bothers me is the throw out bearing rattles, but that's a typical new edge thing, nothing new. But yeah, she runs great so far. So I know the splitter, the manager's chin splitter is missing. Don't worry, that's going back on. The screws got ripped out. We're just going to have to fix that later on. But yeah, she is all together, guys. Look at that. Man, I've been itching for this car to come back. Yeah. So right now, about to head to a pop-up car meet. And if you guys remember, I think I mentioned at the beginning of this video, or at some point in this video, that half my friends don't know this. Only like 4 or 5 people know that this car is back. So my other like 15 friends don't know that this car is back yet. And I've even posted on Snapchat and Instagram saying I can't wait for this car to come back, even though it's already together and I've been driving it for the past 2 days. Yeah, so they don't know it's back yet, so we are literally about to go to this pop-up car meet. Grant's got his Subaru back, so yeah, guys, I'm so stoked. So now, if the car stays, you know, not blowing up again, oh my god, I don't want to go through that again. That was ridiculous. But yeah, I got a new fender coming in, so I no longer have that non-matching fender. Gonna have a new wing put on, a new Cobra spoiler. Gonna clean the car up, make it nice again. Get a new back bumper because this one's got paint cancer. So yeah, now we can actually start cleaning up the car a little bit since it's, you know, running. So yeah, so let's go to this pop-up car meeting and get their reactions. But of course, you guys got to hear the start up. Oh man, she sounds so good. This car's been down for the same amount of time mine's been down. They both start running the same week. How ironic. About damn time we get these things running, dude.
I'm dripping coolant.
Doesn't surprise me. From where? Just a clamp. Just a clamp, something simple. Alrighty, we are rolling out to the meet. decided to wait a couple minutes just to be a little bit late so some people could show up. But yeah, like I said, nobody knows that this car is done. I even posted on Snapchat with the motor still out of it, a picture of it with the motor still out of it. So they all think the motor is sitting in the garage all torn apart when it's really together and running. It's gonna be funny. Well, not really anybody showed up yet. Got 2 surprises, didn't really catch them on camera. But this thing is absolutely dirty. You can see all the handprints. This thing is filthy. It hasn't had a bath in months. And of course the birds already attacked as soon as it pulled out of the garage. Man, I can't wait to fix like this little stuff in the bumper, but we'll get to that very soon. It just needs, she'll get her TLC. She'll get her work done. She deserves it, but right now I'm just glad that it's running again. That's the main part. Alrighty guys, picking this up a few days later. So the car has been running great. So far I got 870 miles on it since the motor's been put in. I've had no issues. So now we are finally back on track. That was a very, very stressful few months trying to get this thing back together, but actually I just ordered a new fender. It came in the other day. So we're not gonna have that Mako fender anymore. So either way, we got a, bruh, you bitch. We get it, we get it. Either way, good lord. Now we're actually gonna be doing some stuff to fix the car up. Like I said before, the splitter came off because it was actually starting to come off. That's going back on after we do the fender. We got a few other odds and ends. Actually, my girlfriend's in the car. Yeah, guys haven't got to meet her yet. There's Samantha.
Hello.
And then there's the butt nugget. What you doing? Oh, you're taking over? Okay, he's taking over now. What? Take over. But yeah, guys, I am stoked to have this car back. Whew, it's so fun. So yeah, I've been having a blast in this car. Dang, I got a water drop on here. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. But let me know what kind of videos you want to see with Reaper. I know it's been a hot minute. I know a lot of you guys had some driving vlogs. So if you guys want to see more driving vlogs, let me know. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.